What you can see here on my desktop is half trend buy sell indicator, and this is an MT4 non-repaint indicator. You can see this indicator live in action here on my Euro AUD H1 time frame. Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. In this video I will show you how this half trend buy sell indicator is working, how you can download for free this indicator, and also I will let you know an update about MetaMax token. So stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone, I hope you are all well today. So, what's all about this indicator, the half trend buy sell indicator for Metatrader 4 platform is a popular indicator and it's widely used in many forex system and trading strategies, which works very well at determining past and current bear and bull trends. All right, as you can see here, this indicator probably you observe that it is very simple to use. You just follow these arrows here. As you can see, let me put the pen again. We have these nice ups and downs here on Euro AUD. By the way, you can use this on any time frame you want. You can use it for forex, cryptos, and also binary options, and you can use it on any time frame. As I said, I am using on H1 1 hour time frame as usual because this proof for me to work the best. And you should follow these arrows here. This is a downtrend, you should place a down trade here, a nice up trade, this blue arrow. When you see this again, a red arrow, you should place a down trade, and so on. Look how this one it is. As you can see here, uptrend, and this tool falls into the trend following category of indicators. It contains two elements, as you can see here, the arrow, the main signal line, and plus buy and sell arrows. The indicator is easy to use and fits all kind of time frame. As I said, the default indicator settings can be modified directly from the input tab. Let me go ahead and I will close this one. Go here to the indicator list, click on it, edit, and you can edit all the inputs tab here, as you can see here. All right, everything is very simple, so you can feel free to experiment with the settings and parameters to fit your personal preferences. How this one works: the buy entry, as I told you, open a long trade when the indicator signals line turns blue and the upward arrow occurs. Place stop loss a few pips below last swing low and trail up with the moves of the signal line. Sell entry, open short trade when the indicator signal line turns red and the download arrow occurs. Place your stop loss a few pips above last swing high and trial it down with the moves of the signal line. Exit trade, close your open position when an opposite signal occurs, or use your own preferred method of trade exit. As always, to achieve good results, remember about the proper money management. To be profitable trader, you need to master discipline, emotions, and psychology, as I am always telling you. So now how you can let me go ahead and let me show you a bit here how many pips. If you enter here in the market and exit here, wow, look here, 274 pips. This is very nice. And how you can download this indicator: below this video in the comments area you'll find a link which will take you to my website. Let me go ahead and I will go, here it is, and you'll find this description you'll find this blog post about half trend buy sell indicator. Go ahead and please read everything it's written here, because it will help you to understand better this indicator. And if you go on the bottom of the blog post, you'll find this free download half trend sell indicator. Click on it and you will automatically download on your computer the AX4 file of this indicator. When you have it on your computer, just go to your MT4 platform, go here to file, open data folder, go then into MQL4 folder, open it, go to indicators, and just paste that indicator over here. As you can see, we have it here, half trend buy indicator. Just paste it here and then drag and drop the indicator on any chart you want to use it, on any currency pairs chart you want to use it. So that's all you have to do in order to download and use a half trend buy sell indicator, MT4 non-repaint indicator. All right, guys, one more thing that I wanted to tell you at the end of this video, and let's have a look here what was happening in the past with this indicator. Buy here, sell, buy, sell here. Look how nice this one is working. And if you want to use it for binary options, go to M5 to 5 minutes time frame and use it properly from here. As you can see, you have nice signals here for binary options also. All right, so that being said, at the end of this video, as I said, I will update you about MetaMax token. And MetaMax token, this is the last day, 1 day and 20 hours that you can buy in pink sale. If you want to profit with this MetaMax token, only you, my subscribers, you can buy on pink sale. Just go here on any tab you want here, for example buy now. Here it will take you to pink sale finance, and then just connect your MetaMask or any other wallet you are using, crypto wallet you are using, and you will be able to buy coins, MetaMax coin. For you, I have a coupon code or a bonus code of 10% on how much you are buying. After you are buying, you just send an email at web@metamaxonline.com, and I'll put all those details below this video in the description area, and use the coupon code crissmax1 and you will get 10% bonus on everything you are buying regarding MetaMax token. All right, so I'll put everything below this video in the comments area. I'll put the coupon code, I'll put the email that you have to send the mail in order to get your 10% bonus. So that was the video for today. If you like the video, give me a like and also share this video to your friends. Maybe they want to use the indicator or they want to buy MetaMax coin in this pre-sale pink sale phase. So that was the video for today. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. This will be notified every time I'm uploading new videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.